click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen, then select the payment link option. So first, on the product, you want to choose on any product you currently have, but if you don't have any product yet, then click on the add product option and start to name your product, add the description, an image, and the pricing. Then click on add product button over here. After you are selecting or adding the product, under the quantity, you want to do a check mark on let customer adjust the quantity. Then you can set the minimum amount or maximum amount of product that your customer can adjust for themselves. After you are good with all the settings in your payment link, then tap on create link button at the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, the quantity of my Samsung charger is adjustable between 1 and 15. And here is your payment link that you can share with your customer. When they open it, they can adjust the number of product by clicking on the QTY, put their desired number, and hit the update button. There you go, the prices of the product will be updated automatically. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.